So I first just want to say welcome to this vlog. This vlog is going to be hopefully not very long, but it's going to be maybe part one of our trip to Italy. So this part of the vlog, I just wanted to do some packing, and we are traveling to Atlanta to fly out of Atlanta in 2 days. So we are going there to meet with, when I say we, me and my sister are driving to meet another sister, and the three of us are going to Italy. And so yeah, so so if you've been following my little situation, I've been trying to find luggage for this trip. I've been like really desperate to find luggage that kind of speaks to me and like makes me feel comfortable with owning it. I don't like to bring things into my life that I'm not going to actually use, so I don't want to just like buy something just for the sake of it. And so it's been a little bit of a challenge trying to find luggage. So I've been looking for luggage for probably the last 2.5 weeks, just trying to find something that I liked. And so I just kind of just gave up and just ordered the one that I actually wanted, which was a suitcase from Herschel. And so I just went ahead and ordered it, and I waited to the last minute to order it. And so I did the express 2-day shipping. I ordered it on the night of July 31st, and I thought it would be here by now. It's the 3rd, and FedEx is saying that the label has been created, but the item has not been dropped off, basically. So I messaged Herschel today. They're saying that the item has not been dropped off. FedEx is saying that the item has not been dropped off. So it's not going to come in time. We're getting ready to leave in like an hour or two. So I went to TJ Maxx again just now to try to find some luggage. I couldn't find something that I really wanted. It was making me feel pretty overwhelmed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack what I can into my carry-on, and then whatever's left over, I'm going to try to find either a second carry-on at the TJ Maxx. I'm going to go look in Atlanta, or I'm going to just end up bringing like a fake type of duffel or something to go with it, which I didn't want to do, but it is what it is. So ordered some chicken fajitas, and my cheese spilled over there. About to watch a show, or if I can find something to watch. I don't even know where to begin. So we woke up today with the intention of going shopping for the little bit of items that we needed before the trip. So we got some food, and then we left out of the house around 3:30 in the afternoon. As we were driving to do our errands, I realized that I forgot my passport. So mind you, we are all the way in Atlanta. We drove 3.5 hours. We got here like midnight last night, and I realized that I forgot my passport today. And I'm like, I didn't know what to do. I was like freaking out, panicking. They were making suggestions like maybe somebody can meet us halfway. That's a 3.5 hour drive. I'm not going to ask somebody to meet us halfway to bring me my passport. I'll just fly back to Savannah. So they just happened to have like a 4:59 flight or whatever. I just jumped on that flight, flew all the way to Savannah. My mother brought me my passport, and then I flew back. And I ended up taking the same airplane going and coming. And the stewardess or the flight attendant was like, didn't I just see you? And I'm like, I didn't know what to tell her. So I was just like, yeah, I had something to do. Like, I didn't know what to tell her because it was just like a 10-minute window in between me getting off the first flight and then getting back on the second flight. And I'm tired, and I have my passport now. I don't know how I forgot my passport the first time. And I had to settle for this ugly suitcase at Ross. I need your lips on mine. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just baby, walk me, 'cause I like the way you move. Like this at two, and when we French, we fresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. You want lipstick, lip gloss, he's super. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. I was supposed to wear a mask. So quiet. As always, jaywalking. Let me see the key.
Alright, I'm recording now.
Baby is freaked out. Get the baby.
You're crazy. Was you supposed to turn my camera around and film a baby? Now you're chasing clout.
No, like a casual. No, that would never be casual. So you can put it in a video and say, look at this person's baby.
That's exactly what she's gonna do. And we're gonna get Italian sued. You ever got the Italian cease and desist? Actually, this is the perfect way. You want to talk to me. said you like the,
Oh.
let's see.
I don't know what side of town this is, but we found two different thrift stores. They didn't like the stuff in the first thrift store, so now we're in the second one. We got some of like the boba tea. We didn't really like this one, but the fruit one was, she said, was pretty good. I didn't really like it. We did eat lunch slash breakfast after we came from the museum. I had a pizza. That pizza wasn't good. The pizza yesterday tasted a little bit better. So I had to step outside for a second because it is like, I'm noticing like I'm the only one like pouring sweat in the store. Like nobody else is sweating. And I know it has something to do with the fact that I'm like 200 and something pounds. And so it's like the bigger you are, like the more you get hot and sweat. And it's just a little bit breezy in this alleyway that we're in. Like it's kind of like a little like strip. We found two thrift stores on this strip. And then this is the little boba place that we were at a second ago.
DJ Sandman. Corners in the paddock in my piece. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Just for peace. Drop the data, now we play. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a pee. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep the pee. Private suite, privacy.